Okay, dear students, we welcome you all for the first virtual inter-house activity. It is an opportunity for you all to be a part of your school out of your books, representing your houses and utilizing your knowledge. Let me brief you up with the rounds. There'll be 3 rounds. Round 1 will be comprising of question answers, and 4 questions will be asked from each of the houses. Then round 2 will be picture identification rounds. Again, 4 pictures will be shown to each one of you, and you have to identify the picture in the given time, right? The third round will be comprising of your rapid fire questions, in which 10 questions will be asked from each team, and 6 seconds will be allotted for each question, and you have to rush up and answer. One thing more, in the last round, out of the 3 students who are participating from each team, one of you have to discuss and select one of your representative for the rapid fire. Clear? I think the senior students should take up this task from grade 5, right? Requested to please put on your video. That's better. All the participants need to put on their videos. Okay, should I start with the first round? Okay, children, I'm sharing the screen with you.
Yes, ma'am.
The sequence will be Columbus House, followed by Da Vinci, followed by Einstein and Gandhi. Lavanya still joining. Just a second, children.
Recording to the
Okay, the first. Okay, the Columbus House students, you are ready? The first question, which is coming before you. Just a second. Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the photo which Juhi ma'am sent to me, there was written in the third round there would be 60 seconds given.
Wait. This is the first question which is there before you for the Columbus House. Paridhi, please, you are the only one who is going to participate. It's not your family, please. Paridhi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer would be Kerala.
Correct answer. Okay, the next team which will take up the question is Da Vinci.
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पढ़ा इसमें।
Paridhi, please. Paridhi, sit properly, keep your leg down.
And the answer is Punjab.
Okay, correct.
Ma'am, Punjab.
Correct. Okay, next will be Einstein. Einstein?
Sita, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer will be Goa.
Okay, correct. Next, Gandhi. Gandhi House, please take up this question. Gandhi House, your time starts now. Hurry up. Gandhi House.
Ma'am, the answer is ma'am West Bengal.
Sorry, it's incorrect. It's Assam. Okay. Next, Columbus House. Please take up this question. Which is the most fire river of the northern India?
Ma'am, Ganga.
Correct. The next question passes to Da Vinci. On which river is Bhakra Nangal Dam located? Great.
Satluj River. Satluj.
Excellent.
Satluj River.
Excellent. Excellent.
Ma'am, Ganga.
Okay, the next question
Ma'am,
goes to
Godavari.
Einstein.
Ma'am,
Good.
Godavari.
Very good. Correct. Next question goes to Gandhi House. Gandhi House, please take up this question.
Can't see the question.
You want to see the question once again? Yes, quickly switch over now. Your time
Ma'am,
starts.
one has said the answer. One has said the answer.
Yes, who has said the answer? Please repeat. Okay, good. Good. Correct. Columbus House, please take up the question. Columbus House.
Ma'am, ma'am, please show the question. Someone has said the answer.
I think it was wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Columbus House, the question is wrong. It's Guru Nanak Jayanti. Okay, this was the question, right? Next question goes to, again, Einstein. Sorry, Da Vinci. Da Vinci, are you coming up with the answer?
This festival of Assam.
Ma'am, please show again the question.
Huh?
Ma'am, please show again the question. Ma'am, Maghi and Bihu.
I think you are taking support of someone. Paridhi, it is a humble request. Please don't take support from your parents. Okay? Correct. Correct. Bihu. Next one. Next question again goes to Einstein House. Which festival marks the homecoming of King Mahabali? Hurry up, Einstein. Your timer has started.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Mahabali Jayanti.
Incorrect. The answer is Onam. Next question goes to Gandhi House. Name the harvest festival associated with Punjab.
Ma'am, the answer is Baisakhi.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Again, Columbus House, take up this question quickly. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes. Speak up. Columbus House.
This is round one only.
Yeah, round one. Last round of the, this is the last round.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Excellent. Next question goes to Da Vinci again. Who was the first president of India?
Ma'am, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Excellent. Correct.
Dr. Rajendra.
Next question goes to Einstein. Who was the first
Indira
female prime
Gandhi.
minister? Huh?
Ma'am, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi.
Excellent. Correct. Okay. The last question goes to Gandhi again. Who was the first female president of India? Gandhi House. Wake up. Hurry up. Half you're done with the timer.
Ma'am, Pratibha Patil.
Okay, correct. Okay, children. I would request Neha ma'am, who's there for the scoring. Neha ma'am, you're requested to kindly share the results with the students after round 1.
Yes, good afternoon, students. Columbus
Afternoon,
House
ma'am.
round. Yes, good afternoon, all of you. Columbus House round 130, Da Vinci round 140, Einstein round 130, Gandhi round 130. So Da Vinci is winning in round 1. Okay, you can begin with round 2, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, mic is muted.
Okay. So, children, I hope you enjoyed the first round. Now, again, gear up yourself. This is the second round we are going to take up, right? And the same sequence will be followed. The first picture will be there for the Columbus House, followed by Da Vinci. The second picture, the third picture will be for the Einstein, and the last picture will be Gandhi, right? Again, there will be 4 pictures for each house. Fine? Okay, I'm going to share the image. Columbus House, be ready. Identify the country. Columbus House. Good. Correct. Yes.
Japan.
Da Vinci. Da Vinci, your time starts. Hurry up. Which country's flag?
Germany.
Correct. Okay. Next one. Einstein.
Yes, ma'am.
Which country's flag was there?
Ma'am, Italy.
Incorrect. It was Sri Lanka. Last one. Gandhi House. Gandhi House.
Ma'am, America.
Incorrect. Gandhi House. Incorrect. Okay. Again. Columbus House. Identify the temple.
Lotus Temple.
Excellent. Correct. Da Vinci. Please identify this temple. Your time starts now. Hurry up, children.
Akshardham.
Who has answered?
Ma'am, Paridhi Dhulia.
Excellent. It is Akshardham, Delhi. This one for the Einstein.
Golden Temple.
Very good. Excellent. It's Golden Temple or Harminder Sahib. Gandhi House. Gandhi House. Gandhi House, you want to see the picture again quickly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please switch over. Time. Yes. Your time is almost up, children. Still, I'll give you 15 seconds. Hurry up.
Ma'am, someone said the answer. Ma'am, Madurai Temple.
Huh? It's Sun Temple, Konark Temple. Incorrect. Okay. Now next, identify this monument, Columbus House.
Charminar.
Excellent. Charminar, Hyderabad. Next one.
India
Let me
Gate.
see. Huh?
India.
Incorrect. 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 It was India Gate. Agrima had said India Gate. It was incorrect. It is Gateway of India. Okay. Einstein House. Einstein House.
Yes, ma'am.
Please identify the monument.
Ma'am, India Gate.
No, it is not India Gate. The one
Ma'am,
which
can you
is
show
shown.
the picture again?
Oh, the answer has been disclosed. So no points for Einstein House. Okay. This one, Gandhi House. Hurry up, identify.
Ma'am, the Statue of Unity.
Excellent. Correct answer. Okay. Columbus House. Identify this person.
Amit Shah.
Very good.
Amit Shah.
Very good. Correct answer.
Mr. Amit Shah.
Wait a second, children. There's some problem. Shri Amit Shah. Next one. Da Vinci, please identify this person.
Rajnath Singh.
Excellent. Excellent. Da Vinci correct. Rajnath Singh. Einstein House.
Ma'am, Uma Bharati. Yeah.
Incorrect. Einstein House incorrect. Srimati Nirmala Sitaraman. Okay. Gandhi House. Please recognize this personality of famous personality of BJP. Gandhi House. Hurry up. Huh?
Smriti Rani.
Excellent. Excellent. Correct. Children, you are seeking help from your parents. This is not.
You are requested not to take help of your parents.
I'm
I
finding
can see your
very-
parents are sitting
Yes.
with you. This last question was answered by parent. It's not
Siona,
allowed.
yes.
Please sit alone.
Siona and Paridhi, I am constantly watching that you people are seeking help from your parents and house marks will be deducted. Keep that in mind.
And I request parents, please don't help children. Let them use their brain. Let them use their knowledge. Please, parents, don't help. Yes, Nandita ma'am, you can continue, please.
We
Okay,
get
thank you.
60 seconds.
Okay, now children, there will be 10 questions for each house, right? That means 6 seconds for one question, right?
Ma'am, should I give
But
out the
there is
numbers
written
for round 2?
60.
Yeah, I would request Neha ma'am to take up the marks you all have leveled up to, right? Each
Okay.
house marks will be
After-
taken.
Yes. So after round 2, Columbus House 50, Da Vinci 55, Einstein 35, and Gandhi House 40. So again, Da Vinci is winning.
Da
Thank you,
Vinci,
ma'am.
I want to say something.
yes dear.
Ma'am, there is written that we will get 60 seconds.
Huh? 60 seconds means for all 10 questions which will be put up. Okay, so you can go through the rounds, right? And 1 second, children. Yes, and wherever, if you have any problem in any question, you're not able to make out the answer, immediately say pass. Clear? You have to be very fast in this round.
There would be seconds
There
for
won't be
every
any
question.
slide. There won't be any slide. I'll be speaking out the question once only. You have to listen very patiently. Okay. Now I would like to take up and only one student will be speaking. I would like to know the name of the person who is participating from Columbus.
For one question, one will be speaking only.
Udbhav, you are going to take up the questions,
Okay, ma'am.
or Lavanya or Chevy? Decide quickly.
Ma'am, there will be one person only which will tell
Yes,
all
only
the
one
answers of
person for
10
rapid
questions.
fire. Okay, Udbhav is going to take up the questions. Correct? Okay. I'm starting the question on the count of 3. I'll be starting. 1, 2, 3. First question, Udbhav. What is the national bird of India? Correct. Which state does Puran Poli belong to? Either say pass or say as the answer.
Pass.
Okay. Which flower is offered to Goddess Lakshmi on Diwali?
Yes, ma'am. Please
Which
explain.
flower is offered to Goddess Lakshmi on Diwali? Either say pass or
Pass.
yes. In which city is Qutub Minar located?
Yes, ma'am.
Which city Qutub Minar is located?
Ma'am, Ma'am, Delhi.
Name one hill station in Himachal Pradesh.
Shimla.
How many states are there in India?
29.
Incorrect. How many? The date of children's day in India?
Ma'am, 14th November.
In which city of UP Sangam of Rivers is located?
Pass.
Okay, your time is over. You are not able to answer another 2 questions which were there. Okay, Neha ma'am, I hope you have taken up the scoring for this round. Done?
Ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now who will be representing Da Vinci? Agrima, you will be coming up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Agrima, on the count of 3, I'll be starting with your rapid fire round. Fine? Okay. Which is the national tree of India?
Banyan tree.
Correct. Dhokla belongs to which state? Pass. Which sweet is offered to Lord Ganesha and Ganesh Chaturthi?
Ma'am, lotus.
Incorrect. In which city is Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Name a hill station in Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Pass.
Which 2 states share the common capital of Hyderabad?
Of Hyderabad.
Yes.
Ma'am, Chhattisgarh and Punjab.
Incorrect. Birth date of father of the nation? Capital of Tamil Nadu? Capital of Tamil Nadu? Pass. Okay. Your next question is, your time is up, child. Okay. Right. Next rapid fire is Einstein House. Einstein House?
Ma'am,
Going to-
Ma'am,
Ashita?
Sita, because from Einstein I am only here.
Okay. 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 I would request on the count of 3, I'll be starting the questions. Asita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, and 3. Which is the national fruit of India?
Mango.
Correct.
Ma'am.
Thepla is related to which state?
What, ma'am?
Thepla. Either say pass or speak out the answer.
Gujarat.
Correct. State in which kite flying festival is organized?
Kind flying. Pass.
Okay. State in which Hawa Mahal is located? Hurry up, either say pass.
Kerala.
Incorrect. Name one hill station in Jammu and Kashmir.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Which 2 states have the common capital of Chandigarh?
Punjab and Haryana.
Very good. Date of Republic Day in India.
Yes, ma'am.
Date of Republic Day in India.
14 January.
Incorrect. Sorry, the time is up, child. That was required. You have to be very fast. Pass, pass. If you're
Yes,
not
ma'am.
having, it is a, you can say learning for Gandhi House. Who is going to represent Gandhi House?
Ma'am, I.
Who? Ojas? Okay.
Yes,
Ojas,
ma'am.
yes. Be ready, child. कोई बात नहीं. Okay, right. Ojas, your time is starting now. On the count of 3, I'm going to start. 1, 2, and 3. Which is the national aquatic animal of India?
Ma'am, Gangetic dolphin.
Excellent. Okay. In which state is Jantar Mantar located?
Ma'am, pass.
Okay. In which festival is Garbha performed?
Ma'am, pass.
Next question. Name one hill station of the eastern region. Hurry up.
Ma'am, pass. Pass.
Who is the chief minister of UP? Hurry up. Who is the chief minister UP? Okay. What is the capital of Gujarat?
Ma'am, Gandhinagar.
Okay, correct. In which festival there is fasting of 1 month?
Ma'am, pass.
Okay, name one islands located in Indian territory.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Okay, correct. Now time is up. You cannot take up any more questions. Children, you were taking a lot of time, and with this we conclude our quiz for today. I would request Neha ma'am to tell us the final marks, please.
Okay. Yes, so with this, the final scores are Columbus House 70, Da Vinci 65.
Neha ma'am,
Einstein-
excuse
Yes,
me.
Neha ma'am is there.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
you're audible.
Yes, Monica ma'am. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes, ma'am.
saying
Ma'am, your
round.
voice is breaking.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm sending a message on your WhatsApp. You can check there.
All right.
Ma'am, you were telling the mark.
All right. Last, I'll just tell you the round 3 marks first. For Columbus House, it is 20 for round 3. And the total is 70. Okay. Round 3 for Da Vinci, it is 10. The total is 65. Okay. Round 3 for Einstein House is 15. The total is 50. Round 3 for Gandhi House is 15. The total is 55. So Columbus House is the winner in the end. Okay.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Second,
children.
third positions as well, ma'am. Please share second, third position as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. So first position is Columbus House, second is Da Vinci, and Gandhi is third.
Okay. Children, well, it was a quiz, it was an event, it was an opportunity for you all to share your knowledge, right? We all had come together out of our books on this platform. So please never give up. with this, that yes, my house has been on the last. So never give up with this, because there is no comparison between sun and moon, and they shine with in their own time, right? So I would request Monica ma'am to please speak a few words to the children.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nandita ma'am. We enjoyed, really, children. I enjoyed the quiz. And really, I appreciate you all participated very well. I think this is first time you all participated in this type of quiz. And actually, it was very interesting, and your excitement and your enthusiasm, actually, I enjoyed that thing. And ma'am, Neha ma'am, please, if you can share the marks of what the difference between Da Vinci and no, Einstein and Gandhi. What is the
They're
difference between these two
very
houses' marks?
marginal, very marginal. They were doing very well, all of them, ma'am. A
Okay,
marginal
ma'am, can you
difference.
tell me the scores again, please?
Yes, ma'am, I've shared the score on your WhatsApp.
Okay,
I've
just let
shared
me
the
check.
score.
Yeah, the scores are, I'll repeat again. Columbus House has scored 70. Da Vinci has scored 65. Gandhi is on 55 and Einstein 50, just with a difference of one question. With a difference of
Gandhi,
just one
so,
question.
okay, so we can say today Gandhi and Einstein both are at third position, because in last question, the child took help in identifying Smriti Irani's picture image. So I'm deducting 5 marks for that. So both the houses, Einstein and Gandhi, are at third place.
Okay, ma'am.
First is Columbus, second is Da Vinci, and third is Einstein and Gandhi both. There is a tie between Gandhi House and Einstein House. So both are winner. Both are at third position. Happy,
Congratulations to
Einstein
all.
House.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the participants.
Great
Thank you,
work and great
Nandita ma'am. Thank you
performance.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am. You too. Thank you, Neha ma'am, for your cooperation.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you
And
so much,
this,
Neha
with
ma'am,
this,
for your
we
support
wish
and
you
cooperation.
good health and stay safe, children. We'll keep on organizing these activities for you all. Have a nice day.
ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a